Hello. In this video, I want to talk about an issue that almost all doctors are having to deal with in today's marketplace, and that is negative online patient reviews. And without getting into the reasoning behind why patients leave negative reviews, the possibilities for why this is done is endless. The fact that they are given a platform to do so makes it such that doctors have to deal with this in their current day-to-day practice if they're experiencing any measure of success. It comes with the business territory. With that in mind, there was an article in the December 2019 TDA journal that addresses this issue, which I find to be short, to the point, and excellent. Managing negative online reviews from patients provided by the MedPro group. And I highly recommend, especially if you're a member of the TDA, that you get a copy or look at your copy of this publication and this article in the December 19th TDA journal. It does a great job of talking about the different issues and basically managing the reviews or how to respond. But there's one part here at the end of the article where it says one of the points of advice is consult legal counsel or consider contacting the review site's webmaster if a patient posts information that is false or defamatory. And it's that last word there, defamatory. In other words, a possible case for defamation. And I wanted to take the time in this video with respect to patient online negative reviews to talk about what is defamation. I feel like if a dentist becomes upset because of a review, there are many doctors that call me that are asking, is there a cause of action here? Is there something actionable that I can do legally in response to these reviews? So let's take a look at the elements of defamation. Defamation can be in two forms: libel, which is written, or slander, which is spoken. It's a statement if it's spoken, written, pictured, or even gestured, and those are the different forms. But typically, when we speak of libel, we're talking about the written word, like a online negative review, or slander, which is the spoken word. For it to be published, which is an element of defamation, it means that a third party either heard or saw the statement. That is, someone other than the person who made the statement saw what was written or heard what it was said. And then also that the defamatory statement was false. The statement made by the person saying the libelous or slanderous statement was absolutely not true, and it must be proven that the statement is not true. And finally, there is the element of injurious. Did the statement that was made cause damage or injury to the person about whom the statement was made? You must be able to prove damages to your reputation or your business if you're going to be able to complete a successful case or bring a successful case for defamation. And I think that's where online negative reviews are really, really tough to prosecute. On the one hand, you have the policies of the platforms, Yelp, Google, whether or not they allow these statements and how they allow for businesses to respond. But ultimately, if you're going to sue or bring a case for defamation because of any of these statements, you're going to have to deal with the elements of, first of all, was the statement that was made false? Because that is the basic first element that must be proved, whether or not the statement was false. And then finally, whether or not the published statement was injurious or caused damage to your reputation, either as a person or as a business person. And there you have a thumbnail sketch of the basic law on defamation. The question being whether or not the statement was false and whether or not the statement caused injury or damage. You're always recommended to seek legal counsel. No two cases are alike. No two allegations or possible cases for defamation are exactly alike. Each case has to be evaluated on their own merits. Hopefully you're not having to deal with any negative online reviews, but if you are, certainly I take the opportunity to read this article if you can access it, and hopefully this video has provided you with some helpful information. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming to the LegalDental.com YouTube channel. Please subscribe, hit notifications to get notifications of future videos, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you. Have a great day.